Come along and grab a seat. There's a world of magic at your feet. For best friends with much to do, welcome to Bufometo.
What shall we do today? Let's spin and find out. Spin, spin, spin. Oh, it's a coloring day today. Let's see what we're going to learn today. I'm so excited.
Look what I have here. A special printable flower and a butterfly. Want to color with me? Ask your parents to download the printable and let's create a masterpiece together. To color this, we need oil pastels and a piece of paper. Let's get started. First, let's color the clouds. I'm using pink to add a soft blush to the clouds. Once you finish the blush, take a sky blue color and start coloring the edges slowly and neatly. After the edges are done, fill in the cloud in one direction. Be careful not to color over the small details on the clouds. If you press a little harder with your crayon, you can get a smooth and even color. And that's it. Both our clouds are ready.
Oh wow, that looks so nice. But what flower is this? And which colors should I use for it?
It's a sunflower. Now let's color the center disc of our sunflower using an ochre yellow shade, which is a bit darker than yellow. First, color the edges and then fill it in one direction. Now add a soft pink blush. Once the center is done, let's move to the petals. Start from the top petal, color the outline first, and then fill in the petals. Here, I'm placing a piece of paper under my hand to avoid smudging the colors below. Remember, the more pressure you apply on the crayon, the more smooth and even your color will look. Now let's move to the next step, the stem and the leaves. Use a light green crayon. First, color the stem and then the leaves. Remember our rule, color the edges first and then fill the inside in one direction. Place a piece of paper under your hand whenever needed to avoid smudging. Here, I'm using a dark green color to add some shadow details.
This flower looks amazing. I'm very excited to color the butterfly. Can you show me how to color it? I don't know where to start.
Yes, I will. Let's start with coloring the butterfly. First, let's color the blush. I'm using a peach color for the butterfly's face. Color it patiently and neatly. Now, I'm using an ochre yellow color for the body of the butterfly. Next, color the little hearts on the wings in any color you like. I'm placing a paper under my hand to avoid smudging. Once the hearts are ready, start coloring the beautiful wings in dark pink. You can choose any color you like because butterflies come in many beautiful colors. My hearts are not clearly visible. Let's fix that. I'll add a little yellow on top to give them a different shade. Now, let's color the grass. Apply very light pressure on your crayon to create a soft, grainy texture using a light green color. By applying little more pressure, add details to the grass in this way. Now, let's add the sky in the background. And you're almost there. Your beautiful painting is ready.
Oh, wow, I love this painting so much. I'm really excited to show it to my friends. Thank you. Bye.